recording right now. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So this one's gonna be a little bit different, but it still involves full stack web development. So as you can see right here, I got this little VirtualBox thing I'm trying to load up, and the reason I'm using a VirtualBox is because I've been taking the Odin Project course, and they strongly recommend running your laptop in Linux. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm also doing like programming in this VirtualBox because that's just what they said they recommended. So if it will load, that'd be nice. And if you don't know what a VirtualBox is, it's pretty much like an emulator. So it basically emulates a computer within your computer. So you can have any sort of like, I don't know, what do I call it, like operating system within your computer, so you don't have to sort of like switch out or like download and re-download. So it's pretty sweet. And as you can see here, I was previously working on the programming in this VirtualBox. I hope you can see it. But yeah, so right here we got the main, that's all good, and some updates. So in the videos tab, you won't be able to see it because I'm not connected to the internet, but I'll have my day 1 video there and then my day 2 video there. And then eventually, once I get this one there, it'll be day 1, day 2, day 3. And it's sort of like columns, and you can play them, which is pretty nice. Next, we have the donate page, which is also pretty sweet. So it's like, give me your money. And we have a donate with PayPal button right here. And when you click it, obviously, if it was connected to the internet, it would lead to a donation button. And then you can just kind of type in, you know, like $9,000. And then next, I'm getting a donate with Bitcoin. So I'll have my QR code there, and then my Bitcoin address and all that kind of stuff, so that'll be pretty sweet. I must confess that I am using a lot of AI to help me out here because I don't know squat about coding. I don't really know much, so I've kind of just been using AI to help me make this, and I know that in the long run it's probably gonna bite me in the butt because I should be learning this stuff. I should be learning how to, you know, like code on my own, but you know, AI is a pretty useful tool, so I might as well use it a little bit. And then obviously there's a link here that links to the YouTube channel if you click it. But yeah, this is what the Linux operating system looks like. What's going on here? Why is this thing flashing? That's strange. I don't know if you can see it was flashing there. Is it even recording? It must be. But anyways, this is what the Linux operating system looks like, and it's kind of neat because there's this, like, you can use the terminal. I think you can do that with anyone, but you can like open stuff with the terminal, which is pretty sweet. You can open like this app here, typing in code. I feel like a real hacker, man, a real programmer. But yeah, then there's like, if I had the internet, I would show you the Odin project. Because that's what I'm using right now. What else is there? Not too much. Not too much outside of that. I mean, I haven't been working too much on it just because I've been a little bit busy with things going on and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, you might be wondering, Austin, why are you recording in a car? And that's because I like just moved out. If you care to know, I just moved out, so I'm living back at my old place in the city, and I'm like, well, it's early in the morning, I might as well just record in my car. I don't want to wake anybody up. So yeah, that's been that. But what are the goals? What's the, oh yeah, there's some coding there for the CSS. What have I learned at least? Okay, I've learned the difference between HTML and CSS. I know sort of how to use CSS. This is mostly AI, as I said. And what's next? I want to learn about JavaScript. I want to learn like kind of what it is and how to use it and how to incorporate it in a website. And another goal is get more aesthetic, start hitting the gym more. And I know that has nothing to do with coding, but that's just another goal. Get back into the aesthetics, if you will. But yeah, I mean, there's not really too much to add on this topic here. I think I'll just keep it a short and sweet little video for you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you found value in this. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.